Hola mga saswang! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito, finally personal vlog. For now, hindi tayo mapag-vlog ng mga valuable games kasi we all know na it's not allowed because of the enhanced community quarantine. And hopefully, lahat tayo safe. So, for us to be safe, stay at home. Lumabas lang pag importante or may emergency or super kailangan. Majority of us will be working at home kasi we're not allowed to go out. Important thing, gadget na kailangan natin is laptop or desktop. For me, I bought a new laptop kasi yung old laptop ko medyo ngarag-ngarag na. We're gonna unbox and check kung maganda yung specs niya para sa work from home. Please continue to watch. Here we go. So ito, may freebies na kasama yung laptop. Meron tayong OTG, I think. Yeah. Per 16 gig lang siya. And we also have wireless mouse by Fortec. So, not bad kasi mga nasa hundreds dito. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng laptop online, you can visit the this website kasi maganda yung service nila. As in, may someone will gonna talk to you para i-assist ka. And anyway, nababother kang magsalita kasi medyo masakit yung ngipin ko. So ayun, let's unbox it na. So ayun, kung gusto niyo bumili ng laptop, try nyo bisitahin yung website na yun. Maganda, mura, at mabilis yung transaction. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully, someday or soon, maging back to normal na yung buhay natin. Karoon ng cure para sa virus na to or sa pandemic na nangyayari sa mundo. So, let us all pray. And of course, let us hope for the best. Be safe. God bless.